time to drink. Hey, what do you say? Nothing. Well, let's taste it. Wow, that was good. Now hey, what do you say? Excuse me, but 2810, what happened to your antenna? I don't want to talk about it. Hey, what do you all say?
Go away.
Hey, South Carolina, what do you say? Hey, South Carolina, what do you say? Hey, you broke my antenna again. And what do you say? Get out of my way. Hey, what do you say?
Is Tempest Cola.
Thanks. Hey, what do you say? Excuse me.
What a good day to drink Tempest Cola. You said it.
Hey, what do you say?
Excuse me.
Hey, what do you all say?
Excuse me.
Hey, what do you say?
Excuse me.
Do you know what to do? Is bending my antenna even more. It's annoying, but not as annoying as burps. Hey, what do you say? Excuse me, what do you guys want to do first? Guys, where are you? Hey, what do you say? Excuse me. Hey, what do you say? Go away, we don't care. Hey, what do you say?
Go away. We don't care.
Hey, what do you all say? Get out of here 2810. I didn't invite you.